Welcome to Suzanna's How-To. Today I will show you how to draw a boat. I will tell you what we need. We need a paper and something to draw with. I'm using a pen. Now I will show you how to draw it. We first take this one, take a pen or something to draw. First draw a half circle and draw a line on the top and a line on the bottom. And now I'll draw a rectangle on the top. And I will draw like a triangle, but it was a little like this. And the big and the small one inside. This one we need to go lines. You can decorate it with this one so it can be pretty. You can do whatever you want. I would do like this one, a sunny one. And here I'll draw her and the heart. You can draw whatever you want and draw the happy face filler. Happy face. Now with a heart and a diamond. Heart, diamond, heart, and diamond. Heart, diamond. Heart, a pattern, diamond, diamond. Heart, diamond. Okay. And then you can do something to like the heart. I will go with some water. And I will draw some clouds. And the sun. Here. And some hearts here, a diamond, heart, diamond, heart, diamond, heart, key. If you like mine, please hit a thumbs up. If you can, I hope your draw is like mine, as pretty as mine. If you like it, really like it, hit a thumbs up.